Okay, I'm going to show the student view of an assignment that is given using the alternative Google Drive assignment type. So here's the assignment from my teacher, article, read and answer the questions. Okay, so here is the assignment. Here are the directions. So use the docx file, which you'll download. So if I want to use the docx file, I'm going to click here. I'm going to download it. I'm going to see it right here, so I'm going to open it. Okay, I have to click Enable Editing. And then I'm going to fill out the article. Okay, so I'm going to answer the questions. I'm just going to put random answers here. And just to show you, right here. All right, so I'm just going to answer just a few questions. I just want to edit it so you can see. Now, however, I have to remember to save it before I send it to my teacher. So I need to go File, Save. Now my copy of the article is saved. So I'm going to go back to my assignment and I'm going to click Submit Assignment. And I want to upload a file. And I need to go to my downloads, which is where the file is going to be. And remember, I saved it. So here's my protozoa article. I'm going to open it. And I am going to submit it. That's it. Okay, that's one option.